Hello students, I am back here again with another lecture for quadratic equation. Today we are going to learn nature of roots. Okay, so the topic for today is nature of roots. Of course, of a quadratic equation. Okay, the previous lecture you have learnt formula method to find out the root. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Yes. Now to determine the nature of root, what is required is just to find out this b square minus 4ac, which is also called as discriminant or it is also called as delta. So if it is equal to 0, then we say the roots of the quadratic equation are real and equal. Okay? Suppose if the b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots of the quadratic equation are real and unequal. This you should know. Okay? And the third one is if b square minus 4ac value comes to less than 0, then the roots of the quadratic equation are not real. Okay? So usually in the exam the question comes, determine the nature of the roots, then you have to find the value of b square minus 4ac and see if it is equal to 0, then you are going to mention that the given quadratic equation's roots are real and equal. If it is going to come greater than 0, then you are going to say it is real and unequal. If it is less than 0, you are going to say that the roots are not real. Okay? Sometimes they might ask you only the question, find the value of the discriminant. Means you are going to find out only b square minus 4ac. You are not going to mention the nature of the root. If they have asked you to mention the nature of the root, then only you are going to write this thing. Okay? So we will see few examples on this today. Okay, the first one is, the question will be determine the nature of roots. Okay? The first example we will take is 2x square minus 5x plus 7 is equal to 0. Okay? So here, just like formula method, first you are going to see whether it is in standard form. Yes, it is in standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So just like formula method, you are just going to compare. Yes, you are going to write comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then what is your A? A is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 5 and c is equal to 7. Yes? Then you are just going to determine the nature of root, you are going to find out the value of b square minus 4ac. You are just going to substitute the values. B is nothing but minus 5 the whole square, formula minus, formula 4 into A is nothing but 2 and C is nothing but 7. So again you are going to write minus 5 square is nothing but 25 and 4 2s are 8 and 7, this is 56. Yes, 7 8s are 56. Then 1 is plus, 1 is minus, minus with greater number sign. So it comes to minus 31. Now if you see this is negative, means it is less than 0. So you are going to write b square minus 4ac is less than 0. Therefore, the roots of the given quadratic equation are, or is rather, is not real. Yes? So this is what is the third one. This was second one and this was first condition. So we have learnt about the third condition. We got the value minus 31. So it is less than 0. And so the quadratic equation's roots are not real. Okay, so this is one. We'll take one more example. One more example we are taking, that is x square plus 2x minus 9 is equal to 0. These sums can come even in activity also. Okay. So now what we are going to do again, see first it is whether in standard form. Yes, it is in standard form. So next step, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Yes, you are going to write a is nothing but 1, b is 2 and c is minus 9. To determine the nature of root, what is required? We want to find out b square minus 4ac. You are just going to substitute the value. B is nothing but 2 square. Formula minus formula 4 into a is 1, c is minus 9. 2 square is nothing but 4, minus into minus is plus, 9 fours are 36. So this comes to 40. This number is greater than 0. It's a positive number greater than 0. So what you are going to write? B square minus 4ac is greater than 0. Therefore, the roots of the given quadratic equation are real and unequal. Simple. For that matter, you should know this. Okay, so b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 means the roots are real and unequal. So we have understood this example. Previous example was less than 0 where you got the negative answer. Here you got a positive answer. Now what you want to find out, we'll see one more example. Maybe if it is equal to 0. Okay. See, as it is a crash course, few examples of the particular topic are taken. Okay, then we are taking the third one. What is the third one we'll try to take is root 3x square plus 2 root 3x plus root 3 is equal to 0. Okay, again we are seeing whether it is in standard form. Yes, it is in standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. After that, you are going to do what? Comparing. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What's the value of a? Root 3. What's the value of b? 2 root 3. What's the value of c? Root 3. To determine the nature of root, what is required? To find out b square minus 4ac. So what are you going to find out? B square minus 4ac. You are just going to substitute the values. B is nothing but 2 root 3 the whole square. Formula minus formula 4 into a is root 3 into root 3. Just simplify. 2 square is nothing but 4. Root 3 into root 3 is nothing but 3. So 4 into 3 is 12. Minus root 3 into root 3 is 3. 4 into 3 is 12. So you got the answer 0. Yes. So you got the value 0. B square minus 4ac is 0. So you are going to write b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Therefore, the roots of the given quadratic equation are what? Real and equal. Are real and equal. So this is how we have finished in this lecture the nature of roots. So once again we'll revise. B square minus 4ac, if it is equal to 0, the roots of the quadratic equation are real and equal. B square minus 4ac is greater than 0, then the roots of the quadratic equation are real and unequal. And if b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then the roots of the quadratic equations are not real. Okay, keep on practicing few sums. Again I am telling you, your addition property, multiplication property should be perfect for The reason is that you should not go anywhere wrong in the signs. In algebra, most of the time, the students miss the signs. Okay, so please keep practicing. If you like my lectures, please share, subscribe. Okay, thank you. God bless you all.